Masyadong delayed yung reaction. And again, I cannot understand why the Secretary of Justice would go there himself. 1 week or how many days later, after the discovery na si Saldico was apprehended by German authorities and turned over to the Czech Republic authorities. Dapat yon agad-agad, at first instance na na-discover, di ba dapat tinawagan natin yung embassy kagad doon? Alamin nyo kagad, nasaan, anong problema, kailan maiuwi. I think that's one parang shortcoming na nangyari rito.
Pero hindi indication yun, sir, na hindi sila serious or sincere dun sa...
I don't want to comment on that. But yun ang nakita kong shortcoming kasi why did it take that much time before they actually exert effort para alamin man lang kung nasan si Saldico. At saka yung Interpol, ang tagal na yung request na yan eh.
Mhm.
Dapat yan, kasi nakita ko doon yung bagong PCTC, ng transnational. Late na rin siya eh. Kung noong sinabing si Saldico, apprehended nando sa Czech authorities, apprehended by German authorities, dapat lumipad na yung PCTC o nag-coordinate sa Interpol. Kasi ng counterpart natin as far as the PNP. Sa NBI, may sarili rin silang parang relationship sa Interpol. Dapat day one, pumunta na yung o nag-inquire ng PCTC at nag-request na ng red notice. Bakit noon lang dumating sa presscon? Kita ko si Prestosa, General Prestosa. Late na rin eh.
Mhm.
Dapat yun ang pinalo up. Ako nga, nung inisyon ako ng warrant of arrest ni XPGMA, parang a few days, nasa red notice ako eh.
Bilis.
Kaya lang, hindi na ako nahuli.
Mas mabilis kayo.
Mas mabilis.
Mas mabilis sila sa akin. At least yung panahon na yun.
Mhm.
Kaya na mabilisan na ganun. Kasi nandyan lang yung headquarters ng Interpol sa Lyon, sa France. Nandun eh.
Mhm.
May Pilipino pa nga tayong nandun eh. Na nasa Interpol eh. Ano ba yung, even before he was apprehended, dapat meron na tayong coordination directly with the Interpol. Ito yung voluminous documents na kailangan namin si Saldico to answer for certain crimes. Ewan ko, why they did not do that. Ano?
Sir, hindi naman kaya deliberately mabagal.
Hindi ko alam, basta't mabagal.